Have you ever heard that simple salt on your mattress can work wonders? I learned this from a seasoned hotel housekeeper, and after trying it the first time, I've never done it any other way. The reason is simple yet effective, so pay close attention. Take any container and put a good amount of salt in it. That's right, just salt. Now add some dish soap. It can be any you already have at home or prefer. Next, add some fabric softener. And to complete the mixture, 200 milliliters of water. Now stir everything gently until you have a smooth solution. This is the kind of trick hotel housekeepers keep like a closely guarded secret. But today, you can try it at home yourself. Take a clean dish towel and dip it completely into the mixture. Now for the step that changes everything. Once you use it, you'll understand why this method has become routine in my house. Still struggling to clean your mattress? Tried everything, but those stubborn stains just won't come off. Don't worry, with this technique, you'll clean effortlessly. Now stretch the cloth out well and use the lid of a pot as a support to follow this process exactly. While you're doing that, write the name of the city you're watching from in the comments. I want to send you and your family a special greeting. Once the cloth is securely attached to the lid, start making firm, circular motions. You'll see how the dirt comes off easily. And the best part is, your mattress will smell wonderful afterward. So tell me what rating out of 10 this tip deserves.